Yeah.
That was close.
First, second, third, fourth,
Oh, yeah,
fifth.
Gordon stuck. Mark Beard came to help untangle. Jason spun out.
Trying to watch what's going on. I almost ran in the pipe myself.
Gordon turned into the pipe. Finds himself now in third.
Second, third, fourth, fifth,
There you go, Gord.
Mark finds himself into the pipe, and Gordon sweeps by.
Back again.
Well, it's only 1
First.
minute in.
That was
1 minute
interesting.
into it. 7-minute final.
second,
Not gonna lie.
Oh, Kyle.
third,
That corner must be loose because Kyle almost lost
Fourth.
around it.
This thing's the whole truck's loose. Like I'm on snot.
Yeah, brand new tires.
No, not playing you guys. Now I have to back off on a couple spots.
first, second. After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Gordo in second place, followed by Jason in third place, followed by Michael Shelton in fourth place, followed by Mark in fifth place. Third, fourth, fifth, first, second,
The battle is for first and second in this race. We have Kyle coming through the infield now,
fourth,
followed by Gordon. Over the little jump and into the sweeper before the straight.
fifth, first, second, third, fourth,
We have Kyle coming onto the straight. We have Gordon coming onto the straight. So Gordon had a little bit of a slow lap there.
second,
Oh, Gordon got into the pipe in the middle. He was able to recover. Oh, we had a rollover.
first, fifth,
We do have 4 minutes left of this race, and there's still time to recover.
second, third. After 3 minutes, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Gordo in second place, followed by Jason in third place, followed by Mark in fourth place, followed by Michael Shelton in fifth place. Fourth, first, fifth,
Oh no, Jason tapped the corner.
second,
Oh, Mark gave him they're juggling this.
third, fourth, first,
Do a fucking handicap.
second, fifth,
Well,
third,
we have Kyle getting into the fourth.
fourth,
Loose shit. Under the loose shit.
first, second,
Just goes to show the
fifth,
conditions will let anyone back into the race.
third, fourth,
There's a light mist on the track and makes some corners greasier than you expect.
first, second, fifth, third, fourth. After 4 minutes 30 seconds, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Gordo in second place, followed by Mark in third place, followed by Jason in fourth place, followed by Michael Shelton in fifth place. First, second, third, fifth,
Okay, we are down to the final 2 minutes.
Thank you.
2 minutes.
2
First. Fourth. Second. 2 minutes left.
2 minutes, says Linda.
Third.
Now let's take a look at the track and see who's where.
Fifth. First.
We have Kyle crossing the line in
Fourth.
the green.
Second.
We have Gordo crossing, going through the infield hairpin.
Third.
And we have Mark now going through the jump. So we do have
Gordon,
a,
Gordon, go.
oh, we got Kyle did get tangled a little on the straight. Gordo
First.
evasive action.
Second.
Turn me around.
Fourth.
Thank you.
Fifth.
Now Jason is in fourth and Gordon is in second. That is high on Kyle.
1 minute left. First. After 6 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Kyle in first place, followed by Gordo in second place, followed by Mark in third place, followed by Jason in fourth place, followed by Michael Shelton in fifth place. Second. Fourth. Fifth. Third. First. Second.
We probably have 2
Fourth.
laps left in this race. Let's see what happens in the last 2 laps.
Fifth.
We have Kyle entering the straight.
Fucking try to pass.
Gordon entering the
Third.
straight.
First.
Don't take the outdoors behind
Second.
me.
Don't fucking pass.
This could be the last lap.
Fourth. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 5. 3. 2. 1. Third Mark done with a 19 lap 7, 0.9 result. First Kyle done with a 20 lap 7, 1.5 result.
Fair to say my
Second
supper's
Gordo
not
done with a 20 lap 7, 5.3 result. Fourth Jason done with a 19 lap 7, 11
This
flat
thing is
result.
like driving a greased eel out there.
I think Michael's still on track. Being counted.
Fifth Michael
Listen.
Shelton done with a 18 lap 7,
See
20
what
flat
you're doing,
result.
just lighten
All
tires.
drivers are finished.
That's not the way
The
you
race
want
is
it for the
completed.
final.
Friggin' dip is slipping, everything.
And that's it for Two Wheel Drive Stadium with Kyle, Gordon, Mark, Jason, and
Oh, I
Michael.
had a rock hook in it. It was